Crypto is dumping, Ethereum is falling, the crypto market is crashing. Is this a buy the dip opportunity or a further correction is looming here? What are the causes why it has been dumping? All in today's crypto show. What is going on, everybody? Super excited to have you here. It's gonna be a short market update. Let's dive right into it. So we're seeing Ethereum trading $4,300, continuing the fall that started on 14th of August with the printing of this bearish engulfing candle over here. Still on a daily, we are continuing to be bullish. As long as we don't break and close the day below $4,200, we continue to be bullish and can be reversing very soon to momentum to the upside. So yet the day has not closed yet, so we're gonna see and monitor that. But overall, after such a long extension in the market, after Ethereum reached a previous all-time high 4 years ago, literally, we're seeing a correction. A correction was due. I warn all of my followers that we are in a dangerous territory of previous all-time high of $4,800. Might be a good idea to take some profits off the table and to buy back lower, or maybe even put a short position. But over here, we're seeing right now, this is how everything is trading. If the Bitcoin as well hit a little bit of a correction, but we are still we're still bullish over on the daily. If we close below $115,000 the day, then we'll turn bearish on the daily for Bitcoin. But let's take a look on a longer term frame. On a weekly, on a monthly, we are definitely not finished the month yet and continue to be bullish. Why it is dumping? The largest spike ever recorded, $3.49 billion of staked Ethereum is waiting to leave the network. And when you leave the network, it doesn't like happen all in one day. It happens like 12 days you need to wait. It's a queue until those validators, Ethereum validators, exits. Okay, so what we are seeing right now is a huge spike, and maybe because right now we are seeing so many shorts are being open on the market. It's these people that want to exit, they want to take their profits, secure their profits on the table. So I don't know why is that like this, but I want to show you something over here. Wait a second, over here. Yeah, first of all, this guy, Tom Lee, and Bitmine Immersion now holds 1.52 million Ethereum, $6.5 billion, and he just purchased another 373,000 Ethereum, was $1.62 billion. So that's mega bullish over here. Is definitely taking advantage of buying the dip. Is the #1 Ethereum treasury company over here. And what does they know? Something that we don't know. $1.62 billion today. That should give you some level of confidence that money is flowing to Ethereum and can be a good buy the dip opportunity right now. So we see that the Bank of America report says only 3% of Wall Street is investing in Bitcoin. We are very early on. Can you imagine how much more capital is going to flow into Bitcoin? We're seeing Google searches for crypto are at 4-year high right now. Are you paying attention to what is going on in Bitcoin and in crypto? The retail is definitely coming back. And we think Goldman Sachs expects the Federal Reserve to cut rates 3 times in the next 4 months. As you know, cutting rates meaning more capital can be more affordable, more cheaply to be borrowed and to be put and invested into the risk on assets. One of the reasons why the market is thinking today is because of this. Zelensky from Ukraine and Putin from Russia. Basically, are they going to reach this peace deal or not going to reach this peace deal? And they don't want to, in Ukraine, give up on any of the land of the territory to Russia. So that's kind of the volatility of the market right now because of that. expectations also fell from 99% to 82.9% on rate cuts in September. So the market sentiment turns a little bit bearish over here, slightly more bearish, of course, than it was before. But you need to ignore the short-term thinking and see the longer-term picture. We are not, I mean, for Ethereum, for the altcoins, we have definitely not peaked yet. The best is yet to come. The best for the altcoin season is yet to come. You can see the Bitcoin dominance falling below 60%, which is exactly what we want to see. We see a whale that is buying 450 Bitcoin worth $52 million every single day, like accumulating, like $600 in Bitcoin every second. Just keep buying and buying and buying and buying. What do they don't know? What do they know that we don't know, right? So we're seeing that the strategy also continues to acquire more and more and more Bitcoin, another $51 million purchase. During this correction, money keeps flowing into Ethereum versus the other coins. So other coins are bleeding more and flocking into Ethereum. Ethereum is definitely at the stage the winner right now and leading the way. So there is more fuel left to this tank. We're seeing Thailand government officially launches first state-owned Bitcoin wallet for tourists. So that's great if you're living in Thailand. Congratulations. It's very tourist-friendly, crypto-friendly country in Thailand. Okay, so that's what I want to update you guys today. We see a lot of shorts happening, historic levels, all high time levels of net shorts on Ethereum. The reason for that is they wanted to secure the price to previous the all-time high, but it's a short-term correction, okay? And the question again, what is the worst case scenario over here? How we can correct? Well, the next level of support is around $3,900. If the $4,200 is gonna fail, then the next level of support is gonna be at $3,900, and we're still gonna be in market structure bullish. Why? Because around this level, $4,000 is a level of previous resistance, right? Where was major resistance in the market, when the market turned significantly bearish, and basically we can retest it. Yes, we can retest it back to this level of $4,000. If we do, then it's gonna be a better price point to get in before the next big pump. Okay, so that's what I want to update you today. Hopefully that you have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in the next episode of Today in Crypto Show.